Hi everyone, I have the Volkswagen Octavia Skoda turbo diesel 2 liters MK2 from 2004 to 2013. This is the air filter housing, and common mistakes I see so many on the internet, that if somebody wanna remove the intake housing, he have to remove this scope. This scope is fixed with two screws, T25 here or T20, doesn't matter, but you have two screws fixing this air inlet to the front of the car. And to remove this bulge, if you want to remove the air filter itself, it's just connected from here with this hose. To remove this hose, you have clips. I have broken one here, I have one here also, and I have one on this side. I just remove this, release it like this, put it aside. This is free to move, so I just unhook it from the down, and that's it. I don't have to remove this at all. Actually, it's very fragile, it's very thin plastic. To remove this one, you just remove this rusty bolt here. You have to remove it. If you want to just change the air filter itself, remove those T20, I think it's torque screws. But to remove the air filter, just disconnect this vacuum, and this is the air mass filter, is a mass sensor. Just remove this tab up, push it up, and that's this way, and you can remove the whole. Just take it out like this. I take this one up, and while I'm taking it, I push it inside and unlock this hook. So I remove this, unlock this one, take it aside, unscrew this bolt, and the whole air filter comes out with me. Because I'm going to reach the cables of the gear, I need to remove this. I just wanted to make it so simple, because so many people, you see, they will remove this and remove this. No need, just remove this one, exactly one hose, bolt, this one, and that's it. Hope you find it useful. See you in other videos. For the meantime, bye bye.